What's up guys, bon dia, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to say the synonym of the grape variety that is called Grenache in France or Garnatxa in Spain. This is the Catalan version, the Catalan synonym for the grape. How do you go about pronouncing this word? That may look a little bit strange as long as you do not know that the letter X in Catalan is pronounced like the letters CH, ch. When you know this, just replace the TX by the letters CH and it'll make a lot more sense, just like in Spanish. Garnatxa, Garnacha. Garnacha is how you say it in Catalan, Garnacha Negra, the black Grenache or Grenache Noir, Garnacha. If you like to learn more about how to pronounce Spanish wines, and if you like to learn more about the wine world in general, you found the right channel. Here are videos that you may want to consider watching next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye.